Starting a new diet can be challenging, and the ketogenic diet is no exception. It involves drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake to put your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. While some people find great success on the keto diet, others may struggle with it due to the lack of variety in their meals and the time it takes to plan and prepare keto-friendly dishes. I almost quit doing keto because of the challenges I faced. Spending hours online to find out what to eat, searching for recipes, and learning how to cook new dishes was overwhelming, especially when I had other responsibilities to attend to. However, I discovered an excellent solution that helped me overcome these obstacles: the Ultimate Keto Diet Plan. The Ultimate Keto Diet Plan is a comprehensive program that provides you with all the recipes and menus you need to follow the keto diet successfully. Instead of spending hours searching the internet for keto-friendly foods and recipes, I had everything I needed in one place. This saves you time and effort and takes the guesswork out of meal planning and preparation. Additionally, the Ultimate Keto Diet Plan is incredibly affordable. It only costs $1 to start, making it accessible to everyone. This is a small price to pay for the convenience and support it provides. With the Ultimate Keto Diet Plan, you can rest assured that you're eating delicious, nutritious, and keto-friendly meals without the stress of planning and preparing them yourself. The challenges I faced with the keto diet are common, and many people struggle with them. However, with the help of the Ultimate Keto Diet Plan, I overcame these obstacles and succeed in the keto diet. It takes all the guesswork out of the diet, providing you with delicious, nutritious meals that are easy to prepare. Don't give up on the keto diet. Try the Ultimate Keto Diet Plan like I did today and see the difference it can make in your health and well-being. Link in the description for the Ultimate Keto Diet Plan.